Okay, putting it in. You got that little tab right there. Make sure your seals, there's a seal here. Make sure that they're all on the make sure that they're all on the little tabs there, and it's all lined up. And just put that lip over there. Put it in like so. And bolt it in. Okay, got the 5 bolts in. 1, 2, 3, 4. And the last one right there. Okay, so I think the next thing I have to do is kind of go back in reverse order. It's gonna have to come back up, and then this long rod I'm gonna hook up back up to that orange doohickey. Okay, there's that long rod. It goes to that orange clip. Let's see if I can get it on there with one hand. Okay, that's on. And then the next clip is going to be this right here, going on to that right there, and that's the mechanism for the door handle on the outside. Okay, got it in there, and snap. Okay, the next step is I gotta connect this rod here, and I believe it's gonna go up to this one here. I'm pretty sure it's this one. Okay, the next thing I did, it's kind of hard showing you because I had to have 2 hands, but the last thing I just did was I tightened these 3 bolts down. That one, and that one, and that mounts this to the frame. So now I think I'm ready to put in the inside door handle. Okay, this is the new door handle on the inside. On the back, you have 2 rods that we have to connect. The bottom rod's going to go here. It's going to clip on and snap. And then the next one's going to go in there. You just insert it and then you rotate this. So, okay, first one I'm going to do is the bottom. It just seems like that's the hardest one to get to. So once I get that on, I should be able to get to the top pretty easily, and I'll be able to bolt these on. I could probably start to bolt them on to hold this. I can start to bolt these on, these 3 bolts, and that'll hold it in place, and I can get this. Okay, got the bottom one in, and then I'm just gonna, I got that inserted, and I'm just gonna rotate this down to lock it. And then same thing with the top, just insert it, lock it. Okay, I got these screws started. There's 3 of them. 1, 2, 3, and the last thing I'm gonna do is finish tightening them down. And this vapor barrier we can probably start to put back up. Oops. That probably should have went behind there, huh? We can do that real quick. Okay, I had to take it all the way back off just to get it right. So the installation will be the same as before, except now we got the barrier underneath. And when you're done, it should look like that. So we should be able to check this out now. There's a lock, that seems to be functioning okay. Door handle seems to be functioning okay, so closes okay. Opens okay. So try it from the inside. Closes okay. It's locked. Uh-oh. Something's not working. What did I forget to hook up? Okay, this is my other broken side here. If I move this handle, you can see that this is moving on this side. And over here on the new one that I just replaced, when I move it, that one's not working. So I gotta figure out what that mechanism is. Okay, I just got done replacing the left side. I didn't do too much different, but this one seems to be working. So at least I got one working. Okay, got the 5 screws in for the door panel. That one on the bottom half, that one, this one, and this one right there. And now this can go on. Put that tab in, put this tab in first. Snaps right in. Take this plastic piece here. Try to squeeze it in there without breaking it. And then there's that plastic screw. Just take it, push it straight in. Okay, I figured it out. There's a looks like there's like a little door mechanism thing here that you flip up and down. I guess it's some kind of child safety feature to keep kids from locking it and unlocking it. I think that one was down. So it probably should be down. At any rate, if you look over here at this one here, you can see it's not even in there. So I'm gonna have to loosen this back up, take these 3 bolts back off, loosen back up, and what happens is it moves this thing up and down, and that's why this rod wasn't moving. It's just some kind of child safety feature. So I'm gonna loosen these 3 bolts up, try to get this thing back in there so that it's sticking out, and we should be good to go. Okay, I loosened up these 3 bolts here, took them off. I finagled this thing here, got it to come in, put the little rubber seal back around it. So now you have it, moves up and down. As I move it up and down, you can see what it does. So it was probably in the lock position, which is that way. So we'll probably need to have it up. That way when I move this, you can see the rod moving now. And if this is up and then I move this, of course the rod doesn't move when I move that back and forth. Put it up, and the rod is going to move, and then it should unlock it. I think that rod goes all the way to the back, and it must unhook the latch, and this is the door where it's latching to right there. So the latch is all the way in the back. I was thinking it was up here somewhere, but I guess not. Alright, I'm going to tighten these 3 bolts down and put the door handle back on. Okay, got my vapor barrier back up, and now I'm going to go ahead and hook up this latch here and this latch here. Alright, I'm going to try to do this with one hand as best I can, just to show you again. Okay. Snap. Snap. Okay, it's in the unlock position. Let's try from the outside first. Okay. Try from the inside. Yay. It works. The lock works. The unlock works. And the child safety feature, if you go to lock, it should lock me in. And the only way to get out is from the outside. So we'll leave that up.